So do you ever want a brownie, but you don't want to make a whole pan? Basically because you know you'd eat the whole pan. You just want one brownie, but you don't feel like mixing it all together and waiting for it to bake. Well, I have a great little hack for you. I'm going to show you how you can make one brownie in 1 minute. Yeah, let me show you. Okay, so what I have here is a brownie mix. This is from Aldi, but any brownie mix will work. And you'll need 4 tablespoons of the brownie mix. And I'm just putting it in a little coffee mug here. This is going to go in the microwave. Any little baking dish will work. Okay, so then you'll need 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of an oil or butter. I'm using coconut oil. And I don't know if you're like me, but I like nuts in my brownie. So I'm just kind of breaking up some pecans here into my brownie mix. All right, give it a stir. Okay, then microwave for 1 minute. Okay, here it is. Now the last thing I like to do is add a little bit of chocolate chips. Now these are the mini chocolate chips, and I have just found that I like to put them on after I put it in the microwave, because if you put them in there with it, I have found that they kind of want to almost burn, but they will melt. But just look at this. Look at this. It is cakey. It's not like raw or doughy, but it is also very moist, and it's just a delicious brownie. Okay, here's your brownie fix. So good. And if you want to get real crazy, add a scoop of ice cream on top. Yeah, so delicious. Let me know if you try it.